हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जय श्री कृष्णा। मैं हूं गौरव सिंह। भूमिका कंप्यूटर एकेडमी में आप सभी का स्वागत है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फीचर्स ऑफ जावा। द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज क्रिएशन was to make it portable, simple and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzwords. The list of most important features that is listed below: simple, object oriented, portable, platform independent, secured, robust, architecture neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi threaded, distributed and dynamic. Let us see one by one. The first is simple. It is simple. Java programming language is simple because it is very easy to learn. Its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. You can understand easily. Java syntax is based on C++. If you know C++ language, then you can easily learn Java. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features such as explicit pointer, operator overloading, that is removed from Java language. There is no need to remove unreferenced objects because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. The next feature is object oriented. Java programming is an object oriented programming language because everything in Java is an object. That means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both data and behavior. Object oriented programming language, we can call it as OOPS, that is a methodology. It's maintains by providing some rules. There are some rules, some policies that follows by OOPS, that is object, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. I will explain each of them later. Let us see to the next feature. The next feature is platform independent. That means Java is a platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, because in C, C++ it is compiled and run on specific machines, but in Java we can run anywhere. If suppose we compile program, it converted into byte form, that class file can be executed in any operating system. That means Java is a write once, run anywhere, Vora concept. Vora language it support. The platform is the hardware or software environment in which program runs, that we call it as a platform. There are two types of platforms, software based and hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. The Java platforms differs from most other platforms in the sense that is a software based platform that runs on top of the hardware based platforms. It has two components. First is runtime environment and the second one is API. API stands for application programming interface. Java code can be run on multiple platforms like for example Windows, Linux, Sun, Mac OS, etc. Java code is complicated. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code. We can call this as a class file. It can be run on multiple platforms, that is write once and run anywhere, that we have already discussed earlier, that we call it as a Vora concept. This bytecode is class files that follow the Vora concept. Java is having one more feature, that is secure. Java is one of the best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free systems. Java is secured because there are so many regions like no explicit pointer. Java programs run inside a virtual machine sandbox. Class loader in Java is a part of the Java runtime environment. It's a part of JRE. Used to load Java classes, that means bytecode, into the Java virtual machine dynamically. The next is bytecode verifier. It checks bytecode verifier checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access right to object. The next is security manager. Under the secure, it determines what resources a class can access, such as reading and writing to the local disk. In C++ applications, user runtime environment of operating system is interact with C++ applications. But in Java, user runtime environment of its own, that is JVM, that is a mediator between the Java applications and operating system. That is why it is more secure rather than the C++. Next feature is robust, that means strong. Java is robust because of these following reason. It uses strong memory management. The second reason is it avoids security problems. The third reason is automatic garbage collection. The fourth is exception handling and the type checking mechanism that provides in Java. So for that reason only, our Java programming is much more secure rather than C or C++ languages. The next is architecture neutral. That means no implementation dependent feature. That is, the size of primitive data type is fixed. But in C++, it based on 32-bit operating system is having a different data type size, and for 64-bit it having a different size. How it is? In C programming, int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit operating system, but for 4 bytes memory for 64-bit architecture, that means operating system. However, it occupies 4 bytes, that is fixed, of memory for both either 32-bit or 62-bit architecture in Java. So Java is providing fixed primitive type. The next feature is portable. Java is portable programming language because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode, that means class file, to any platform. You can run it on Linux operating system, Windows operating system, Mac operating system and all. High performance, the next feature is high performance. That means Java bytecode is close to native code. It is still a little bit slower than the compiler language C++. Java is an interpreted language, that is why it is slower than compiled language C++. The next feature is distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates user to create a distributed applications in Java. RMI, remote method invocation, and EJB, Enterprise Java Bean, are used for creating distributed applications. This feature of Java makes us able to access files by calling the methods from any machines on the internet. The next feature is multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently, that means simultaneously. The biggest advantage of multi-threading is that it doesn't occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia, web applications, etc. Next feature is dynamic. It supports dynamic loading of classes. That means classes are loaded on demand. Supports functions from its native language like C, C++. Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory management, that is garbage collection. आशा करता हूँ आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। जय श्री कृष्णा।